Hello and welcome to this grand series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021. This very special series aims to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of the most prominent brands and leaders from across the world who have immensely contributed to the growth of the world economy. The main aim of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa series is to highlight the key drivers, the actual drivers of Asia, Middle East and Africa's economic engine. In fact, these brands and leaders have been playing a significant role in shaping the economy of Asia and the rest of the world. Continuing with the success stories, the next titles we are moving on to are Asia One Youth Icon of the Year and Global Leader of the Year 2020-2021. And the leaders and the brands being awarded in these categories are Mr. Himanshu Mohapatra, Group General Manager at Al-Taman Investment LLC as Global Indian of the Year 2020-2021.
Himanshu Mohapatra, with over 2 decades of experience that span into investment banking, portfolio management, private equity, real estate development, strategic management and organizational development, has set up, acquired and managed multiple new businesses and projects for the group in real estate, education, healthcare, industrial, aquaculture, media and communication, entertainment and hospitality sectors. Holding directorship in different companies, he is also the member of Executive Committee of Muscat Overseas Group Companies. As a Group General Manager of Al-Taman Investment LLC, he has the expertise in investment evaluation, fundraising, deal structuring and negotiation, strategic tie-ups, setting up new ventures and executing exit strategies.
In this dynamic world, addressing the changing needs of people and adopting new technologies are the key ingredients of success and progress. If we start with our real estates, we develop in Al-Taman Real Estate all the social infrastructure projects such as school facilities, hospital facilities, malls and lifestyle projects like hotels, resorts, entertainment facilities. So we end-to-end develop everything based on the customer satisfaction. Similarly, in our education venture, we nurture the young generation under As-Saud Education School. In our healthcare venture under the Modern Healthcare Company, we are one of the pioneers in providing super specialization in urology, nephrology and andrology lab. Not only in healthcare, but also we are present in pharmaceutical, and we are one of the first API manufacturer producing cephalosporin under drug manufacturing company. It is an antibiotics, can be used exponentially and hugely in Oman and outside Oman. In our entertainment venture, in Grand Entertainment Company, we are providing and spreading happiness with lot of entertainment platforms such as cinemas like Wow Cinema, providing the amazing and grand multiplex. Similarly, on Funtopia, we set the trend of active, healthy entertainment, and in our holographics, we provide virtual reality games.
These were the awe-inspiring success sagas of the most prominent, greatest brands and leaders of Asia, Middle East, Africa 2021. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed hosting it. That's it for now. Goodbye.